Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Today we will be doing the 4 BHK sample flat tour of residential project ICC Island City Centre located in Dadar, Mumbai by Bombay Realty. Looking to buy a home but why do physical site visit? Housey brings to you the unique concept of online site visit with project unboxing videos, actual site tours, 360 building views and complete cost sheet with payment breakup. Sounds interesting, isn't it? So save the time and simplify your home buying process. Visit housey.com now.
Hello everyone, welcome to Housey, India's first real estate portal which eliminates middleman, or you can call as a broker, and directly connected home buyers with builders. Thereby, you will get amazing, affordable and bottom rates as possible. So ladies and gentlemen, today I have to come to showcase you one of the most luxurious project in Dadar East, ICC, which is Island City Centre by Bombay Realty at GD Ambedkar Road. So this whole project has been developing in 40 acres of land parcel. As you can see, currently they have launched 2 towers. Tower number 1 is for 56 floor and tower number 2 is for 63 floors. Both the tower has amazing, spacious 3 and 4 BHK apartments. Let's come inside and see what exactly ICC is providing us. Come inside and take a tour. Right now I am at the Island City Centre lobby. As you can see, every floor has a 4 apartments, luxurious 3 and 4 BHK. You can see the 5 elevators over here. Yes, and the servant elevators is on my left hand side. With this, we have a big, huge, spacious outside 50 square feet lobby where you can play cricket as well. Let's move to the sample flat, which is 4 BHK spacious apartment, 2500 square feet. As you can see on my left hand side, we have a video door phone which is provided by the builder. Let's come inside. This is your beautiful, amazing 4 BHK spacious apartment. Welcome to your dream house. So the whole lobby is this dining and living area is 598 square feet. As you can see, this is your entry foyer. This is your entry foyer and this is your living area. I think this is quite spacious where you can sit, eat and chill together. This is your glass facade windows which is openable. As you can see, this openable glass facade windows where you can see sun, moon, everything. Let's take a tour, let's take a look the whole living area which is 598 square feet. Move to your beautiful modular kitchen. Come inside. Okay, so this beautiful modular kitchen is coming with this 2 platform, which is granite platform, along with the tap and sink, which is again provided by the builder. And we have utility area also over here. You can see where you can keep your washing machine or any other stuff. So let's take a tour of this beautiful modular kitchen. Along with kitchen, we have an attached servant room over here. You can see, please come. And the beauty of the servant room is we have a different entry and exit, which is again provided by the builder. We have a different service lift for them. And again, we have a washroom for servants. So here is your washroom, servant washroom. beauty of this project is they're providing you 5 washrooms. 4 washroom is attached with the bedrooms and the one is your powder area. So come, let's see what exactly powder area is providing you. So this is your powder area, comes along with the sink, tap and the cupboard. Take a look. So if you want to know more about this project, if you want e-brochure, want to know more about the amenities or anything else, you can click the link below and download the e-brochure and get to know more about this project. Let's come. This is your passage area with a big, huge wall. So let's move forward to your first bedroom. This is your first bedroom. Comes with the wooden flooring, as you can see. And the beauty of this project, of this bedroom, of this apartment is they're giving you the extra space for the wardrobe. And this is amazing, trust me. Also, the huge bedroom comes with this glass facade video, which is more into, sunlight and, give you a proper sunlight and everything. So this is your glass facade window. With this, they are providing you the centralized AC as well. So on my left hand side, you can see the first bedroom washroom. Again provided by the builder, the sink, tap, commode space and the bath area. Now let's move to the next bedroom, which is bedroom number 2. Again, it comes with a wooden flooring, as you can see. When you entered, my right hand side is your washroom. Again, comes with the same tap, commode space and the bath space. So now again, the beauty of this bedroom also, they are providing you the extra space for the wardrobe. So you don't need to pull your wardrobe everywhere. You can keep your wardrobe over here because you have an extra space. And again, glass facade window for good ventilation and the sunlight also. You can see sun, moon or anything else. So now let's have a chit chat. Let's talk about the Housey. What exactly Housey does for you? So Housey is India's first real estate portal which eliminates middleman, or you can call as a broker, and directly connected home buyers with builders. Thereby, you're getting a good, affordable and bottom prices ever. With this, we also provide you the virtual tour of your favorite project. Along with that, we also provide you the dedicated relationship manager for you, whom you can chat with them, you ask them for the site visit and they are always ready to serve you. So this is our Housey, and if you want to know more about the Housey, you can go and log in at housey.com, register yourself. Also, do subscribe and hit the icon bell and do subscribe our YouTube channel. So now let's move forward to the next bedroom, which is bedroom number 3. Come. Again, your passage area and your first and second bedroom is quite far from your third bedroom. So this is your third bedroom. Again, you can see on my left hand side, this is your toilet. Again, the sink with tap, commode area and the bath space. This is your washroom. Beautiful washroom. Comes with a wooden flooring. Again, your master bedroom, and again you're getting a good space for the wardrobe. Centralized AC again provided by the builder, and the glass facade windows, which is openable. So good for the ventilation and good, for the sun. You can see sun, moon, everything over here. So this is again a beautiful bedroom number 3. This is again a beautiful passage which is in between your third and fourth bedroom. Now, dil tham ke baithiye. Let's move forward to our next masterpiece. Master bedroom. Yes. This is amazing walk-in wardrobe space which is given by the builder. We'll talk about the washroom later on, but first we'll go to the bed area. Oh my god. So this is one of the spacious bedroom I have ever seen in my entire life. Trust me, in this ticket size you will never find this kind of bedroom all over in Mumbai. Comes with the wooden flooring and the 4 glass facade windows. Again, good for the ventilation, good for sunlights, and you can see sun, moon, everything. So 4 glass facade windows is providing by the builder. Again, they are providing you the centralized AC. Amazing. Trust me, it feels like I'm walking in the Queen's. Let's take a tour of this bedroom. Again, this is your walk-in wardrobe, and this is really a beauty. You can see this washroom comes with the 2 sinks, not only 1, 2 sinks with, they are providing you a bathtub. Just relax and chill. And also they are providing you the commode space and washing machine space over here. So this is your master bedroom. So this is your final look. Living area, kitchen. We have seen our 4 bedrooms. If you really want to know more about this apartment, do click the link below, download the e-brochure, connect with our relationship manager and get to know more about this project. Thank you so much for watching us. Do subscribe our YouTube channel and do not forget to hit our bell icon.
So everyone, this was a 4 BHK sample flat tour of residential project ICC Island City Centre located in Dadar, Mumbai by Bombay Realty. If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.